Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to come on and play with my art journal pages a little bit again. These are ones I worked on last time. These are sort of bases that have yet to be embellished. I'm going to do a little of that today. I actually think I'll start with this one. What I've been doing is adding more color and then going back in with some Posca pens. So the color I'm adding with these Marabou mixed media art crayons, watercolor crayons, and I'm really liking how that works. A little messy, but that's okay. I love it. And they just didn't work for the bases. So anyways, and then I go in with some Posca pens. You can't do that till it's dry. So needless to say, you guys know that I work in layers and I like to let things dry in between. So I'm gonna just get busy here and I'll come back in the end and kind of run down what I have done for the day. So let me get to it. And I hope you enjoy, and definitely leave a comment. This, by the way, is a graphite stick. It's Faber-Castell graphite stick. I happen to like this. You can put water-soluble media over it. It's just, you know, a pencil. So, okay, I'll see you guys after a while. Okay guys, I think I probably better wrap it up for today. First off, I don't know that if I explained, this is just a water spray bottle that I got at the beauty supply. It sprays out a real fine mist, and I really love it for lots of different things. The other thing is that I noticed last time that my pieces seem to be heading towards floral, and that's okay with me. So I guess I decided I would just embrace the floral, and so those are the pieces that and as far as I've gone on these today, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Needless to say, they have to dry before I can go on, but I'm having fun with this, and you know, it's different than the last batch of the last art journal I did, and eventually I'm going to have to do some cover pieces for it, but I'm real pleased with how they're coming out. Different, but different is always good. So anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. It says, "Never throw away anything you have created. Even if you think that it is not successful, it may spark new ideas if you return to it in the future." And that is always true. Okay guys, go have a great afternoon. Bye-bye, make some art. Have fun.